In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products into Shopify using CSV files easily. This is a fast way to upload multiple products and manage your inventory more efficiently. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, click on Products from the left side menu. Inside the Products section, look for the Import button near the top of the page and click on it. A new window will appear where you'll see the option to Add File. Click Add File and select the CSV file that contains your product information. Before uploading, make sure your CSV file is formatted correctly with important details like product title, description, price, inventory, and images. After selecting your file, click Upload and continue. Shopify will now review the CSV file and show you a preview of the products being imported. Carefully check the preview to make sure all the product information appears correctly. If everything looks good, click Import Products to begin the process. Depending on the size of your file, Shopify may take a few moments to complete the upload. Once finished, your products will appear inside the Products section of your Shopify store. And that's it. You've successfully imported products into Shopify using a CSV file. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.